inauguration of this composite regional center would be a milestone for all of us, especially for the state of Meghalaya, where services of different kind is being given, but this is something of a different kind.
Dr. Virendra Kumar, Ministry Cabinet ke Sarkar India, Bakyrpang Ministry Social Justice, Party Empowerment, Plie Jaka Hikai Bakyrpang Composite Regional Center (CRC) Dakabor how virtually na Delhi, Bynta ki Khynnah ke Jingduna ke Dkhot met but bor perkhat, Hakakat Nyotrik mentau benai Shillong. Hakini ke jing Plie ke Jaka Hikai and Don Langru ke Kong Measle Amperin Lingdo MLA ke Anjali Bhaura IAS Secretary Ministry Social Justice but Empowerment Usampat Kumar Principal Secretary Social Welfare ke Sarkar Jilla but bon ki wei pat ki he ki han jang Sarkar India but ke Sarkar Meghalaya. Kani ke Jaka Hikai Bakyrpang ke Don Bynta ha Montfort Building Dhankiti ha ke jing pet jingmi jang National Institute for Empowerment of Person with Multiple Disabilities ban ki jing Hikai ki jing Sumar Sukher na ke Bynta ki jing Don kam jang ki Baduna ha ke bor met bat bor perkhat. Kila Hikai babonjat bat ki jing Sumar na ki jing Pang Baharukom na ke Bynta ki ni ki Khynnah en penbiang lut da kani ke Composite Regional Center. Ke Sarkar Meghalaya ke lamang Shipho akar ke Jaka ha Sauli New Shillong bantay ya kani ke Composite Regional Center ha kini kis number 1. Kinong penyat ya kini ke Jaka Sumar Bakyrpang na ke Bynta ki bedan Jingduna ke bor met bat bor perkhat ki khot ki wer ya ki long yeng ki bedan ki khun ki kti ki beshitam bekin shimi kini ki la kilinti Hikai bat jing Sumar na kani ka Composite Regional Center.
It's a matter of honor and pride that it's something like this. They say that the way a government treats or a nation treats the weakest section, the quality and the evolution of the government is known. So one of the weakest section of the society is the person with disability. Article 15 although says that we do not discriminate based upon caste, creed, gender, place of birth, but disability was missing there. But we have this RPWD Act and RPD Act who have brought in both of these concepts of equality, empowerment, equal participation in a very big way. But how to translate it? To translate this empowerment of persons with disability, we need to establish certain institutions, and these institutions should be composite in nature. That means all the disabilities, may it be a person with locomotor disability, intellectual disability, visual disability, hearing disability, speech disability, they all should be addressed from one point. So that is the most essential thing. So such conceptions are brought into action through the composite regional centers. There are some 21 regional centers which have been established, and we are proud that one of the composite regional centers is established in Shillong. The government of Meghalaya was very proactive in terms of giving us space, in terms of getting the services known in and around, getting a piece of land worth 10 acres in New Shillong where the permanent building of CRC would be established and constructed. So this way the composite regional center would be addressing the lifespan need of people with disabilities. It has been functioning since the month of June 2021, but we are formally inaugurating it, and soon we will be having its permanent building also.
Where for the first time the government has been kind enough to have also the land given to them, 10 acres at Saudi. So very soon they might be starting with in a land allotted to them. So I think bigger services might be brought in along with this. So we are very lucky that way. Like from the initiative of the Office of the Commissioner of Disabilities, this initiative has come in to this day. I would appeal everyone to come forward to take this opportunity, whatever this composite regional center is giving, to kindly come up and avail their services. The common thing what people have been availing on a large scale is the Chief Minister's Special Assistance Program. Then we also have at the block level where from the central ministry they grant disabled persons a monthly stipend of the amount And also when it comes to education sectors, there are various grants, allowances being given, opportunities being given, free textbooks, uniforms, then conveyance allowance. These are the various schemes in different sectors what the state is implementing.